Oh, he's
Ready?
moving around.
Set. Go. Oh.
They're both the same, I think.
Oh my gosh, look what the Easter Bunny left. Look at that.
Everybody turns away from me.
Looks like he left you a pretty good haul.
I think this one was supposed to be Tristan's.
Oh, I don't know. Why is that? You're the little one.
Because it has like...
Well, then trade with him.
I think they're all the same, aren't they? Looks to me like.
Tristan, do you have these? Oh yeah. Yeah. Just not those, but this is hidden.
Breakfast?
Yeah.
What'd you get?
I've got some soup.
Chocolate eggs, a chocolate bunny,
I got some chocolate.
3
chocolate.
chocolate chicks.
Wow.
Like this chocolate stick is probably.
What's that?
Cool bar thing,
What's this?
and then
No, the white thing that Tristan just told me.
carrot and a pencil.
Tristan, what's this? Wait, what white thing? Oh, that white
white
thing?
thing.
This thing?
No.
This thing.
Oh, that.
What is that? Just a chocolate bar?
Yeah. Basically.
Coconut and macadamia.
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 Looks like a fancy pencil.
Yeah, that's a fancy pencil, isn't it? It's all sparkly, huh? All sparkly.